All right, today is the day that I try to clean up all of these wires. We'll try to do my best on cleaning these up. So this is the before, and right now let me show you what I plan to use to clean up this mess. So this is a new outlet from Anchor. I'll plan to use these to stick the outlet underneath the desk. And then I have the cable sleeves, so I'll show you what they look like. All right, and here's everything out of the box. We have the Anchor 8-port here, so 8 outlets on this. Also on the side, you got 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-As. And then for the sleeves, got the white color to match the desk and the PC. All right, so let's start cleaning everything up. All right, and here's the final results. Everything is tidied up. In the future, I'm going to have to buy another sleeve that's thicker so I can put these 3 together and make it one, just so I don't have multiple wires hanging down. I like to make it just one, so that will be in the future. So yeah, this is the after. All right, the furniture is back. Here's what it looks like from the side. As before, there was a lot of cables, but not as many anymore. This is the final view. I say this was successful. Cable management is done.